Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am making an ornament wreath. I got the wreath form from Dollar Tree for $1, and they also have different type of ornaments at Dollar Tree as well, but I had an extra box of variety of ornaments that are blue, glittery, that I absolutely love. I bought them on Amazon and I thought I was going to use them, but I ended up not using them because I decided to go with the red ornament theme this year. And I just have this extra box of like 100 pieces of ornaments. And I bought them off Amazon. It was on sale. It was a pretty good deal. Let me link it down below if you guys are interested in buying this set of ornaments. And I just decided to glue them on the Dollar Tree wreath. I started out with the large size ornaments on the outer ring, so it gives us a good size and a good look on the outside as a base. And then on the inner ring, I decided to use the extra small ornaments that was given to me in the package. Now the package had like these really small ornaments, and it was perfect for the inner ring because you don't want it too big. For the middle ring over here, I do not have any medium size ornaments, so I just mixed match with the big ornament and the small ornaments, so it kind of rotates them, and it was kind of perfect. With the random size, it looked really good. So if you guys want to make a wreath like this, make sure to use the large ornaments on the outside and the small ornaments on the inside. And in the middle one, you can just use a medium size or rotate the big and the small one to make this random look. It just looks wonderful. And then I also use the small ornaments to cover up any existing holes that the big ornaments could not cover up. And then I used that beautiful snowflake ornaments that I got from Amazon to decorate the front of the wreath, and I only used 3, but it worked out perfectly. It was a really eye-catching, and it was a perfect focus point on the wreath. Under the sun, it just looked wonderful. You know how snow actually shines under the sun? This wreath does that too. It's just beautiful. I cannot believe how beautiful it came out. If you make one yourself, please tag me on my Instagram account. I will link my Instagram account down below. I want to see your craft. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.